So welcome back. We're gonna make a simple salad. Now this is the summer, it's hot outside, most of us are barbecuing, spending time with family. So this is a simple salad you can have with your protein dishes and your carbohydrates. So for this recipe, we're gonna use 2 English cucumbers, 1 avocado, we're gonna use some cilantro, a clove of garlic, and we're gonna use different colored tomatoes to give the salad a little bit of color to it. For the dressing, we're gonna use salt, a sprinkle of turmeric, lemon juice, and olive oil. So let's get started cutting those ingredients and putting them into the bowl. So we're all done cutting up our cucumber, avocado, tomatoes, garlic, and cilantro. Look how beautiful and colorful this salad looks. Okay, so let's mix this together and we're gonna start adding the ingredients for the dressing. So we're gonna start with the salt. So we're gonna sprinkle just a little bit of salt in there. We're also gonna sprinkle just a little bit of turmeric, okay? Not too much, just a little bit, okay? We're gonna add our lemon juice. And we're gonna add our olive oil. Okay. And we're gonna mix it together. Okay, this looks really good. So I encourage you to give this a try and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.